Okay, I'm packing up because in a couple of hours, I'm headed to Grapevine, Texas for the Next Level Maker Conference. But there's something happening while I'm there that I've become really curious about. xTool is unveiling a brand new laser called the X1, and they've started dropping some pretty interesting clues about what this thing might be. They're talking about combining the speed you'd expect from a galvo laser with the larger working area you'd expect from a gantry machine, and now they're even teasing of the idea of bringing capabilities together that normally require completely different types of lasers. What exactly does that mean? I have no idea, and I'm really trying hard not to overthink it because tomorrow afternoon, I'm actually going to be in the room when they unveil it. So I'm packing my cameras, we're headed to Texas, and we're gonna find out exactly what xTool's been hiding. Okay, I made it to Texas yesterday afternoon. This hotel is phenomenal. I haven't had any brisket yet, so that's kind of an issue, but also for another story. I am ready to show you the brand new xTool X1. I'm ready to see it. And I didn't do this strip for me. I did this strip for you. Okay, who am I kidding? I did it for us, right? Here's the deal. xTool is claiming it might have solved one of the fundamental trade-offs we've had with laser machines, speed versus working area. And now they're hinting that one machine could somehow bring together both capabilities, the capabilities that we've previously needed more than one laser for. So enough guessing, it's time to head into the venue and find out what xTool has actually built. Let's go.
All right. Do we have some drum, sounds or whatever? Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, louder, quicker. Go, 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 go. Get stuck. I'm gonna take like 10 minutes, Sean. I have to be careful, so we also bring some amazing projects.
Woo!
All right. See the world, X1. So again, like I said, the X1 stands for infinity. So many different possibilities to grow. And as you may see already, there's so many different pieces, as well as this larger piece here, make this unit or laser you can grow with your business. And if some of you guys use UV laser very much, I just got a question asked, can you guys make it larger, taller, so I can build something like this size? Yes, we can with this.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. I was like, X1, it's great. I'm sure it's gonna be great. I'm sure there'll be a lot of pros and cons. And I wasn't like head over heels like I am with a lot of stuff. But I gotta tell you, this might be the laser for a lot of people, especially people just getting into it. I don't know the price yet, but I can tell you right now, the ability to start with a 55 watt diode and a 20 watt IR, I think is what it is, and then be able to expand on that and to be able to have a MOPA and UV and a large work surface. And yes, we were right, it is a galvo and a gantry in one with swappable modules. And we're gonna go sit and talk about it a little bit later on, but I gotta tell you, this has surprised me and excites me. I think that this machine is going to turn some heads, without a doubt. Oh, and the other thing that I was thinking about, imagine this. Okay, I have this machine, and I have this machine, and I have this machine, and now I'm running out of space. This one machine has the ability to take the place of 4, 5, 6 machines, so lots and lots of advantage of this. We're gonna hear a lot more about this, and yet now I want one. I am probably going to repeat myself because I'm actually genuinely excited. So I sat in the unveiling, the premiere of this X1, and before they started talking, Stein is the guy. He's the one that presented this. Before he started talking, I was pretty sure that we were gonna have a swappable modules, and I was pretty darn sure that it was going to be a gantry and a galvo laser in one. And they impressed me. I mean, the opportunities to be able to do large scale UV, large scale MOPA is very, very intriguing. What I didn't think about until he said it was space. Because right now I don't have a lot of space, and there are some other lasers that I want to get. This laser would literally take the place of every laser I've got, which is huge. And I was just talking to someone in there and they said, I just don't, I don't have the money for one. And I'm thinking to myself, what if I sold some lasers and put down on this? And also, and I think I did mention this a minute ago, the opportunities for somebody new. Okay, I want to get into lasering, I want to get a laser. xTool is definitely the way to go. I mean, they just have great software, they have great connectivity, they're just fantastic. I am an xTool fanboy. But the thing about it is, do I drop down X amount of money, I don't know how much this thing is yet, to get the initial base model that's got, I believe it's the 55 watt diode and maybe 20 watt IR, something like that. I don't know if that's the base, I think it is. But regardless, then I decide I want UV printing. I want MOPA. There's so many, not UV printing, UV lasering. There's so many opportunities in this same single space. I'm really impressed, and I have probably said that 4 times, so for that I apologize. But this thing is going to be kind of amazing, and so I'm going to leave it at that. I think I'm just repeating myself because I'm so excited about it. The xTool X1 is going to be a hit, and I might very well at some point in time sell my other lasers, or at least several of them, and put this in its place because of the opportunity. So yeah, it's pretty darn cool. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're into lasering and all that other stuff, definitely subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you around.